Okay, I went through and laid out these specialty drill bits that were with the machining lot that I've made so many videos about. And to start out, we got these bigger ones, 1 inch, and so on. And as far as brands, there's Cleveland, all kinds of good brand names. You can see there's just a ton of bits. So I laid them all out. I'm probably going to keep these, try to use them. I don't have any big machinery yet. So, let me get this bad boy. The HR5. But, yeah. So, there's a lot of double-ended ones. We come over here and there's more. So there's quite a bit of stuff in that lot. Got some countersink pieces. And we have the smaller ones. A lot of Putnam high speed. The gold stuff's Niagara. And then we have the really small pieces over here. Very small. So that's pretty much the mother load of bits. Back up a little bit, you can see it all. Just it's a lot of stuff. And this isn't including the new old stock over here. New old stock bits, all in the tubes and whatnot that they came in. And then I went ahead and threw the taps. There's a million different taps. I threw them in this little organizer for the moment, but got quite a few taps as well. So, but this is the first time that I've had all the bits laid out flat in their entirety, and I don't know. I'm gonna probably weld up some sort of metal tray with little compartment dividers in it, and house these things accordingly. But I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care.